Okay, so we are rolling.
लाइव शो दिख रहे हैं क्या लोग?
So, hi guys, hi everybody,
Hi.
and let's first have one cheers.
Cheers.
Can I get your glass, please? आप इधर ग्लास लेके आइए अपना।
Cheers.
बहुत बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बहुत। Cheers, cheers, cheers. Cheers, OIS, the cameraman. So,
Good job done.
ये OIS साहब ने जो है बहुत बढ़िया चीज़ सोच करके ये शुरू किया
ठीक है।
कि हम लोग जो हैं एक दूसरे से थोड़ा पुरानी गुफ्तगू, पुरानी बातें ताज़ा करें। Nothing better than getting in this setting and trying to remember about the good old days.
ठीक है, वेरी गुड।
अब ये और मैं इक्वेशन या आपका मेरा इक्वेशन या आप दोनों का इक्वेशन
ठीक है,
35 इयर्स पहले की बात है बॉस। ठीक है, इट्स 35 इयर्स।
ठीक है।
Can you guys imagine what is 35 years? I mean, I really feel really nostalgic कि जब हम सोचते हैं कि साला when we left school कि उस टाइम हमने सोचा भी नहीं था कि हम लोग जो हैं 35 इयर्स के बाद मिलेंगे नहीं मिलेंगे, कहाँ रहेंगे, कौन कहाँ होगा। We just did not know.
वो तो कहता है, I agree with that.
Right?
I agree with that, yes.
So tell me, Harsh, जब when you left that, do you remember that last day in school?
To be honest, I don't. मुझे कुछ याद नहीं है। मुझे अच्छा, थैंक यू OIS फॉर दिस। ये बड़ा ही रद्दी आइडिया है। ये मतलब अर्ली कट्टी केमिस्ट्री पढ़ा रहा है और चंसूरिया इंग्लिश पढ़ा रहा है, इस टाइप का आइडिया है।
तो तुम लोगों को शर्म नहीं आती साले मुझे 50 रुपए देते हो? ये एक्चुअली हम लोग तो 10 रुपए देना चाहते हैं।
ये 50 रुपए में 50 रुपए में 5 रुपए वाली क्वालिटी दे रहे हो आप। लेकिन ठीक है, आई केम बैक टू DC फॉर द सेंटेनरी इन 1982 और कुछ लोग आए थे यार। शासन आया था, संदीप सक्सेना आया था, लेकिन उस टाइम भी इट वाजंट लाइक देयर वाजंट एनी, वो बड़ा फ्रेश था ना। इट वाज लाइक कमिंग बैक टू DC एंड आई रिमेंबर स्लीपिंग इन अशोक हाउस, देन वन नाइट आई स्लेप्ट इन राजेंद्र हाउस एंड व्हाटएवर। और मुझे पहली बार ये अच्छा पॉइंट है, पहली बार मुझे राउजर सुनाई नहीं दिया था, है ना, बिकॉज राउजर वो तो पहली घंटी बजती थी गिरधारी की टन और लपक के उड़ जाता था, यू नो। And वो first time when I came for the centenary, I had no clue about the rouser. मैं 7:30-8 बजे उठा आराम से, वो मुझे याद है कि इतना मतलब रिलैक्स। It was so good to come back to DC, you know. लेकिन ये 35 साल उसके बाद, this is the after 33 years I'm coming back. We all went to Ashok House yesterday. Myself, Mama, Yogesh, Jared Boss and OIS. हाँ, नरपत was driving us. एंड मुझे तो ऐसा लगा कि वैसा का वैसा ही अशोक हाउस, यू नो, द कोर्टयार्ड विजुअली एटलीस्ट, यू नो, फूल वूल ऐसे ही थे। When we went up the stairs, exactly it felt like the same pipe, the thoughts were the same. ऐसा लग रहा था 35 साल पहले बस जा रहे हैं ऊपर, you know. So that was really good. That will stay with me when I go back, you know?
So I guess it all again then boils down to just to remember those last days, and we are back again here. And तो योगेश आप जरा थोड़ा हमें कुछ बताओ अपने बारे में कि उस टाइम की जो आपकी 12th वाली जो आपकी जो क्लासरूम थी क्या था? यू आर हाउ मेनी? जस्ट 10-12 ऑफ यू?
11.
हाँ, कितने थे?
Actually we were around 11 in 12th class for engineering, 10, 11 or 12. Actually I joined in 1974 on 30th January.
वो डेट भी याद है?
In 6th class. And I think it was the same week I got this name of Mama.
उसी वक्त?
Yeah. I don't know how. Maybe I actually must be remembering there were two brothers, Navdeep Shah and Jaideep Shah, Singh Shah, from Sihor. I think it was Jaideep who named me as Mama.
कोई मुझे एक हर्ष की कोई ऐसी चीज़ बताओ कुछ जो आपको याद आती है उस टाइम पे। तो you were together for a couple of years?
2 years.
2 years in the place, right? Because since
engineering class में हर्ष बहुत मस्ती करता था। That I remember he used to play especially with I don't remember exactly, but Mr. Purohit ko he used to act as Mr. Purohit, if I am right, and he used to tease him a lot. And with other teachers, he was okay. He was good in studies, of course. Definitely. चलते चलते मेरे ये गीत याद रखना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना. Last day of the term, this song used to be played in almost all the, at least Ashok was, it was a tradition. And even 12th year when we passed out, we were there for 2 days. And actually the day we joined, we wanted to leave DC because environment was different, food was different, and it was hostel first time for me. But on last day, it was like leaving your family, leaving your brothers, because staying together for 7 years, it's it gives you a lot of togetherness, and that we can feel even today. And we were there for 2 days. We met almost everybody of our batch, and it was tears in our, at least in my eyes, their tears were there, and I could not forget those days, those 2-3 days.
No, I can imagine
because
it is really, really nostalgic. But what I remember about him is only through sports. So since we were not in the same class, the only possibility was to meet on the cricket ground and some other hockey. You were also in hockey. तो जगताप साहब के फेवरेट होते थे, तो कैप्टन भी इन्हीं को बना दिया गया था. हमको ये उस टाइम पे लगता था यार इनमें ऐसी क्या चीज़ है कि इनको कैप्टन बना दिया, इतने अच्छे अच्छे खिलाड़ी हैं. बट व्हेन वी एक्चुअली सॉ हिम प्लेइंग, it was amazing. I mean, the kind of the standard which are to be maintained as a captain, he had all those qualities in him. और इनके बारे में क्या था, ये तो
बैट्समैन थे.
इनका हाँ, ये बैट्समैन थे. और इनकी मुझे जो याद थी कि भैया जो है गोरे से चिकने से जो थे ये रहते थे, और वाइट पैंट और इनकी वो ब्लू शर्ट में इनको मैं देखता था इधर उधर. थोड़ा सा ही used to have a little jig in his walk, he used to walk on his heels. This is what I little remembrance which I always carried. तो अगर हर्ष के बारे में सोचता था मैं, तो मेरे को उसकी वो चाल जो थोड़ा सा जो एक he had that little pep in his walk. So that was something which I remember him as always. And anyway, so आप एक वो बताओ जरा अपनी पुरानी बात.
Harsh was sitting by the side of Kawas in that incident of rat entering and his plant. Actually, and regarding this reunion, it was 2005, and we have been continuing for last 10 years, and we should continue because it gives me a lot of energy and lot of enthusiasm and the feeling which cannot be expressed in words. Thank you.
So for me, allow me to say something. Yeah, for me, this is the first time I have come for a reunion like this. Yeah, very first time. I missed it in 2005, and I missed all the subsequent reunion, meetings in Goa and Kabini and wherever else. तो इस बार मैं बहुत ही एक्साइटेड था. 3 महीने से मैंने अपनी टिकट बुक कर ली थी. जो भी कुछ भी हो, that was part of the reason why I booked in advance. कि अब पैसा भर दिया है, अब तो कुछ होगा तो अब जाना ही पड़ेगा. So that was the way, and I am so glad I did it. बहुत ही मज़ा आया सबसे मिलके. And next time we are all meeting in Bangkok.
Yeah.
You bet.
हाँ, आप लोगों की बीवियाँ अलाउ करें या नहीं करें, कुछ भी जुगाड़ करके ओके करवा लो. Yes.
बीवियों को लेकर के आएंगे, बिल्कुल बीवियों को लेकर के आएंगे. And for all you know, we'll get our kids are also along.
Absolutely.
Why not?
Everybody is welcome.
So great. Thanks a lot.
सपनों की गीतांजलि तू, मन की गली में महके जो हरदम, ऐसी जूही की गली तू. छोटा सफर हो, लंबा सफर हो, सुने नगर हो या मेला, याद आए मन हो जाए, भीड़ के बीच अकेला.
हाय गाइस, पवन कासलीवाल साहब,
हेलो
मिस्टर टॉमी। और एक इनकी बड़ी अच्छी मेरे को वो अभी तक याद है कि तुम्हारे हाथ में एक वो कीचेन होता था।
हाँ,
ठीक है,
घुमाते रहते
हैं
ऑलवेज
ऐसे। ये आज तक जब भी मैं पवन के बारे में सोचता हूँ या जब भी मुझे याद आता है तो वो एक चीज़ हमेशा याद आएगी, व्हेन ही इज़ वॉकिंग अराउंड विद दिस की चेन वाली चीज़ मुझे बहुत बढ़िया याद है। एंड वही कभी भी मुझे तुम्हारा याद नहीं रही कि वो अपन हम लोग ऊपर भी रहे होंगे डॉर्मेट्री में भी, और ऊपर के कमरे में कौन से कमरे में रहे, बट वी नेवर, आई डोंट थिंक वी एवर वर इन द सेम रूम।
नहीं, आई वॉज मोर विद अमित उपाध्याय। रिमेंबर अमित उपाध्याय?
हाँ बिल्कुल।
हाँ, तो मैं उसके साथ ज़्यादा था। अनूप, यू रिमेंबर द जैम सेशन वी हैड इन विक्रम हाउस?
Who can forget that?
Tom, you remember?
Of course I remember.
That was great, yeah. We're just searching for girls, कौन अपनी पार्टनर बनेगी, और हम लोगों ने, मैंने और शाम ने वहाँ पे स्टॉल भी लिया था और हम सब पैसे खा गए थे उसके। अब कन्फेस कर रहे हैं हम ये। शाम वॉज द मेन कल्प्रिट और कुछ नहीं। हाँ, वो बाद में दीक्षित साहब ने हमसे पूछा कि डिड यू मेक एनी प्रॉफिट? तो नहीं, वी लॉस्ट एवरीथिंग। हम लोगों ने कोई गैम्बलिंग का कुछ खोला था, लकी 7 या अंडर 7 या ओवर 7। We had a great time that day. बाकी तो यार वहाँ की वहाँ पे अनूप चंद्राना था अपने साथ में। रिमेंबर अनूप चंद्राना, संजीव,
वो तुम्हारे रूम में ही होता था, वो नीचे वाले।
हाँ, पहले हमारे साथ में था। आई थिंक मुनीश ठोले, माय कजन, ही वाज आल्सो विद मी। एंड या एंड मृगराज दास, आई थिंक वो हमारे साथ था। हाँ, तो ये सब बातें अच्छी याद है, और बाकी मस्तियाँ तो अपनी थी यार, जो
तो
भी
मेरे बारे में कुछ बताओ ना यार, कुछ क्या तुमको याद था?
नहीं अनूप, तुम बहुत मस्तीखोर आदमी थे, हमको मालूम था। एंड आई मीन चंचल जिसको बोलते हैं यार, ही वाज फुल ऑफ एनर्जी। व्हाट आई रिमेंबर, यू यूज्ड टू प्ले हॉकी आल्सो।
हाँ, करेक्ट।
हाँ, और हमारे साथ तुम भी पिटे थे शायद दीक्षित साहब से।
हाँ बेटे, तो पिटने के ऊपर एक चीज़ मुझे याद आई। तो आई थिंक, आई एम नॉट टू श्योर, तो एक रूम नंबर 17 में व्हेन वी वर टॉमी, दीपक धैया, कन्वल, आई थिंक कन्वल राजीव आनंद और एक दो लोग और थे। तो व्हाट हैपेंड वाज के मॉर्निंग पीटी वी बंक्ड।
Yes.
Okay.
I still remember that.
Morning PT was bunked.
No,
so what
we started because we just planned to bunk it that day. You know, it was like taking it as a challenge.
Correct. So we bunked it, and what we did was we went and slept into the changing room. Okay. So
the shoes and everything.
So three guys on one changing room, 3 guys on the other changing room, and there was some खटपट, some noise was coming. और दीक्षित साहब को वो नीचे आवाज़ सुनाई दे गई, तो वो आ गए ऊपर। तो ऊपर आने के बाद द फर्स्ट नेम ही कॉल्ड इज अनूप, कैन यू कम आउट, विदाउट नोइंग
He was sure.
without knowing that who all are there.
Yeah. If I had not gone to the bathroom, I would have shit and peed at the same time. But I'm like shaking because after his name, it's going to be my name soon.
So he called me, and so I, with my sleepy eyes, rubbing my eyes, I just came out. Yes, sir. Who else is there? Sir, Tommy is there. Deepak is there.
Exactly. He gave it like in a minute. मैं बोला ये लल्लू क्या दे रहा है? He should have said there's nobody. Start off with my name. Go ahead. I still remember that.
तो वो सबको लाइन पे ले आए, and the next thing was everybody was coming back from the morning PT, and all 6 of us were on the Bolia ground and taking 5 chakkars of the Bolia ground.
Five. Come on.
And five.
Maybe, yeah.
Maybe. Yeah. So that is one thing. Another very peculiar thing. Changing room में, buddy, your socks used to stink so much.
I know. I was always thinking.
More than Keshav.
Because I used to go for running.
So our man used to go for running, sportsman, athlete, always sweating from all angles, from all sides, from all pores. Huh?
Absolutely.
So our man will come out and he'll take out his shoes and socks and all, and we'll tell her, Tommy, come on, go and wash your socks. Do you remember that?
I observe, of course. And one time on a Saturday, I decided to wash. They were very happy about it. It was like a festival there.
So that's one thing. बाकी पवन यार, तुम्हारे बारे में जो हमने कुछ वो स्टोरी सुनी है जिसके बारे में ज़्यादा लोगों को शायद पता नहीं है कि जो तुम कुछ वो शैतानियाँ जो करी हैं तुमने, जो आज तक मेरे ख्याल से स्कूल में प्रचलित हैं उस
No, I know it. I know that too. He knows.
तो the generations after us have are aware of those deeds, yes. Just 2 years back when we went to the campus, there was one lady teacher. The moment she saw him, he says, "Pawan ना, तुमने वो कुर्सी फेंकी थी ना, जरा यार उसके बारे में थोड़ा हमको बताओ क्या है?"
यार दीक्षित साहब ने ज़बरदस्ती मेरे बाल कटवाने के लिए बोला एंड आई वॉज नॉट रेडी फॉर इट. तो ही आज बार कि नहीं तुमको इसके बाल काटने ही पड़ेंगे. एंड आई वॉज सो एंग्री कि मैं बार से झगड़ा किया और उसकी कुर्सी मैंने ऊपर से फेंक दी.
कहाँ से?
वो फर्स्ट फ्लोर से, जहाँ अपना गुम्बज नहीं था, अपने चेंजिंग रूम के बाद में टुवर्ड्स द टेम्पल साइड, टुवर्ड्स द टेम्पल साइड. तो वहाँ से मैंने फेंक दी एंड मिस्टर दीक्षित केम टू नो अबाउट इट. और पनिशमेंट में उन्होंने क्या किया, मेरे पूरे बाल कटवा दिए,
मतलब
गंजा कर दिया.
like you.
फुल अच्छा.
आई थिंक दैट वाज इन 8th में था शायद. दैट वाज द ओनली सैड पार्ट ऑफ दिस स्टोरी. ठीक है, दिस वाज द ओनली प्रैंक आई थिंक आई डिड इन माय डीसी डेज.
But let me tell you what. If you break his chair, he can't cut his hair.
So great, thanks guys. And ये जो हमारा reunion है, तो let's hope we are able to make it every year. Time is flying, so we need to be together.
Before I conclude, I have to say something.
Yeah, sure.
No, remember about the skits that we used to do together?
Yeah.
You know, this guy used to come up with ideas, you know. Like, I still remember, you know, when I'm sitting, especially in the mornings, you know, early morning, cold morning, when I sit in the bathroom, I say his dialogue, "Biswi Shadapti Pedia ki Bhand." In English, 20th century Fox proudly presents. This guy used to translate it into "Biswi Shadapti Pedia ki Bhand." And another thing, you know, we had a lot of people in the ground that were repairing. One guy was Yakub, the other guy was Chuni. One morning, this guy just gets up and come running to me. "Bedi Yakub lagati ho, kya Chuni dikhti ho? Yakub lagti ho, bedi Chuni dikhti." Come on.
पहली बात तो I don't know. I just don't remember this. There are certain things which I am totally blank on. I don't deny it. I may have done it. So
you don't remember because Rashmi is and she has the impression कि मेरा husband बहुत सीधा बच्चा था.
Anyway, so thanks guys. And,
सोचोगी क्यों इतना मैं तुमसे प्यार करूं, तुम समझोगी दीवाना मैं भी इकरार करूं. दीवानों की ये बातें दीवाने जानते हैं, पर में क्या मजा है परवाने जानते हैं. यूं ही लगाते रहना आकर ख्वाबों में, पल पल दिल के पास.
This song was dedicated to Ravi Sasan. Yeah. दिलीप बड़ा सीधा सा बच्चा।
ओहो।
जब आया तो ये जितना मल्लू गैंग था, मतलब मलयालीस, तो कोई भी हिंदी नहीं जानता था सब।
That time you didn't know?
नो
Okay. No Hindi, no.
तो नो हिंदी नो इंग्लिश। सो सबसे पहले टॉमी जो गया वो नहाने गया, तो वो सब कपड़ा निकाल लिया।
तो हम कौन सी डॉर्मेट्री में थे? ऊपर वाली में ना?
ऊपर वाली में।
ठीक है।
यू आर ऑल्सो देयर?
हाँ, we on the same.
तो पवन कासलीवाल जो था सबसे बदमाश था, सबको पकड़ के ले गया। बोले देखो 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 यार, नंगा ना आ रहा है यार। सो दैट वाज इट। फिर ये लोग जब इनको हिंदी सिखाया धीरे धीरे, तो ओनली टीचर वाज पवन कासलीवाल। तो वो सबसे पहले किसी को भी जो भी कुछ सिखाता था गाली के बिना, कोई कभी कुछ नहीं सिखाया उसने। Am I right, दिलीप?
Right.
वो पहले उसको बोलेगा, वो उसको बोले जाके भोसड़ी का बोल क्या। तो तो दिल आस्क व्हाट इज भोसड़ी का? स्मार्ट। आई रिमेम्बर वो डॉक्टर वशिष्ठ आते थे, वो दिलीप को बोलते थे कि चलो सबको फिजिक्स पढ़ाओ।
It is no question of analyze personality. It's just trying to peek into what he has over here, which like my father always used to say, कोई अगर intelligent बंदा देखते थे कि ये तो पूरा ही brains है। Okay. Yes. So we like to hear about from you about what Sham used to be, and maybe you can even try and remember me.
So honestly speaking, I don't remember a shit. And the reason for that is that I had a memory lapse after leaving college, and I lost quite after leaving school. And I lost quite a bit of this is seriously quite a bit of old memory, because actually I had a breakdown when my dad passed away when I was in college, and for that they injected some shit, I don't know what, and I came out of it and I forgot quite a bit of things. But Sham was always a badmash, so I don't have to remember anything. क्यों श्याम?
एक रविंद्र सिंह ढिल्लन होता था, तो वो पजामा पहन के कासलीवाल वुड टेल मी, यार कुछ मस्ती करो ना, तो उसके पजामे में जाके ऊपर पानी डाल देगा वो। सो एकदम सडनली वाज लाइक टेंट। एंड एक दिन मिल्टन वाज आई थिंक प्रीफेक्ट, संजय मिल्टन। सो ही सॉ अस दोनों को, कौन है क्या कर रहा था? मैं आई वेंट अंडर द बेड एंड कासलीवाल वाज इन द डॉर्मेट्री। कासलीवाल को पकड़ लिया, क्या कर रहा है तू, चल दीक्षित सर के पास। तो एज यूजुअल कासलीवाल एंड इलाविया तो दोनों दे वर द मेन कल्प्रिट्स, एंड सबसे ज़्यादा मार खाया इनके कारण हम लोगों ने है। ये लोग मस्ती करेगा एंड
Used to get that card.
या सबको थप्पड़ पड़ता है।
कसम में होती जाए शाम मस्त रंग बुरीली रंग रंगीली लड़की जेल चबेली उसके चंचल नैन कटा अरे चंचल नैन कटार पे उसका रूप बना हटिया अरे उसके रूप से कत्ल हुए तो चर्चा शुरू हुआ नगाड़ा 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 बजा नगाड़ा 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 बजा
Hi guys, once again. Hi. So cheers to that. Cheers to our 35th reunion. And I'm Anoop. On my left is Ashutosh Verma, and on my right is Kanwal Rajiv Anand. So I'm not going to address them with what they are today, because this evening is all about what we were in 1980.
Absolutely.
Right? Yeah. That is what is more important, right? We all of us, many of us, most of us have made it big in life, but it really doesn't matter. What matters is what we were 35 years ago, and every year whenever we celebrate this evening, these couple of these days, it's all about trying to relive those past memories. And that's how it's going to be.
To start with Kanwal, what I remember of him, 35 years back, we were together for 1.5 years, class 11th and half of class 12th. I always felt Kanwal was a very honest, dedicated and a hard-working person, and very serious person. In sense, he had his ideas very clear what he wants in life. And one thing I always remember about him was his calligraphy. Oh God, he had a fantastic hand. What kind of drawing and what kind of calligraphy especially was fantastic.
You know, the best part was that both of them, they got into the NDA and left the school almost at the same time. Yeah, over to you.
Yeah, thanks Anoop. At the outset, I must mention one thing, that they say that you must always keep the child in you alive. And these reunions are tremendous opportunities to do that. And we are so grateful to all the Indore guys who organize this for us and are such wonderful hosts whenever we come. And a big applause for them actually.
Yeah, I agree with that.
But having said that, all three of us here also share one more common bond, is that firstly Anoop is also a left-hander like me, which I remember from school days. And the fact that we were 5 of us who went to NDA together, and me and Ashutosh were amongst those 5. So there is one distinct memory, you know, appearing for the NDA exam, then going for the SSB, each of us clearing it in different time frames. Those days there were telegrams, so the parents would tell the, okay, he's made it. and he's cleared the PABT and stuff like that. So those childhood memories are indeed very vivid in my mind. The other thing I remember, which I must put on record here, which has got a relation to our school times, is that when we appeared for the NDA, Ashutosh's name came up in the newspapers because in the whole UPSC entrance exam, he was the topper in India.
Oh wow! Yeah.
Which was hell of a great achievement. And I distinctly remember that I was traveling back on a flight with my dad the day the result had come. And in the flight, my father opened the paper and he showed his name to me. So that is one wonderful memory I have of Ashutosh. And Anup, of course, what I remember is that we went to Choral for a hikes and treks from school those days. And in that campfire at night, besides the river, Anup sang Seasons in the Sun, which he'll give a line now for us.
Well. So, frankly, that memory lapse I have. Usually, I always boast of a good memory, but somehow it just skipped my mind. Anyway, so talking about Ashu, of course, in two ways I remember him. One is, of course, you just can't forget that he topped the like Kanwal said, he topped the UPSC entrance exam for the NDA, and it was I remember that day when people came around and said that his name has come in the newspapers, right? If I'm right, yeah. So his name was he had appeared in the newspapers at the top of the merit list. You can't imagine. Of course, with all those days, getting to know about your the achievements of your colleagues and your friends, you have a sense of pride and a little bit of envy also. So I will not say that it is always just pride. It is a bit of envy also, because somebody else has done it and you've not been able to do it. So those are one of those things which I remember about him. And of course, one very sweet memory which I have is his mother his giving me the award in the Vikram House, guest evening, and I have that photograph in hard copy. And whenever I see that, and I have one, in fact, I'll tell you, I have one of your passport size photograph which I collected from you and from you when we were parting from school. I have yours. I have yours. I have the Deepak Dhaiya's, and I have yours. So probably it was just that bond, that the Fauji connection bond which we had, which I did not have anybody else's photograph, but I have yours for your photographs.
Oh, that's so great.
Yeah. So that's something about him. Kanwal, of course, one secret which I like to, which probably I don't know whether even he remembers or not. Coming back to his calligraphy skills, तो हम लोगों ने क्या किया कि we got hold of some these certificates which we used to stick on these books we used to get for as prize during the Vikram House guest evening and all. So these are these small certificates which we used to stick on those books. And on one of the evenings we got together, and I made him write a few prizes for me, and which he signed as H.L. Dutt, and in his calligraphic way he has given that TT singles champion signed by H.L. Dutt. So I still have those books with his courtesy, his signature. So thanks Kanwal for those lovely prizes.
I remember that because like Anup said or Ashu said, that being one of the most serious guys. So in the prize giving, Mr. Dixit trusted me with all the books that were to be given in the prize giving. And I remember Dr. Karan Singh had come for that prize giving. And being the trustee there, I was the con man inside who had access to the books and those stickers that were to be put on the books. And I had a close friend like Anup, whom I couldn't let down.
So thanks Kanwal. So I probably did not thank you that time. So thanks for all those prizes which you give, because of which I have all those prizes.
साडी जिम्मे क्वीन साडी विक्टोरिया तू कंटी बिग वैन दी पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा ओ जदों नच पैन दी पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा तू कंटी बिग वैन दी पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा ओ जदों नच पैन दी पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा
लट्टे दी चादर उत्ते हनीमून कर मारिया आप सामने तेरा की साइज दस मारिया मनमल दा गुरदा दिखदा है सब कुछ क्लियर मारिया तेरे सामने लगदा है छोटा पलंग मारिया स्यापा
करते मांडो ना वजदी ओ लगे वारिसिन पहल करते कबूतर वारगी ओ मेमा फिरती गुलाबी शेर दा रंग है फिरंगी रखी तू सांभ के आ सानू ते लगदा सौदा तो चंगी जगह कोई नहीं है बदिया तू घंटी बिग वैन दी पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा ओ जदों नच पैन दी पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा तू घंटी बिग वैन दी पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा ओ जदों नच पैन दी पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा सिद्धे गिलासी रख
लंदन ठुमकदा
पंजाबी स्टाइल विच
लंदन ठुमकदा
लस्सी दा गिलास विच
लंदन ठुमकदा लंदन ठुमकदा बाजी वाह ठुमकदा गंबा ठुमकदा
किथे गई शराब की गड्डी
Hi, once again, Anoop here. On my left is Shalini. So, Shalini, you used to be Shalini Gupta, and now you are
Shalini
Gambhir. Okay. We were never in the same class, so that's why the question. Prerna Mahajan those days, which is now
Prerna
Kothari. So, and Sangeeta Patel, which is Sangeeta Karya. The school was very, very different than what it is today. We would hardly have any girls in the senior school. So hardly any girls. So lucky me, I am surrounded with all those lovely beauties, which I could never ever imagine that I would be sitting amongst them and chatting with them, because I don't think you would ever probably we didn't have any association at that time.
Yeah.
So let's stick to something about them.
Okay, so I used to have long hair.
I used to have.
You used to have long hair. That's right. I think I always had short hair, even in school. I was there just for a year, and initially when I came in, I think I felt like a freak show, because correct? Am I right?
No.
No? Okay. No, so I felt like a freak show because I used to carry this little dabba. Okay, it was an aluminium kind of a box, which I really didn't bother what I was carrying my books in, but evidently that gave me the nickname of Dibba. Because everybody said, "Arey, ye to dibba leke aati hai school, not a regular school bag." And After
you used to come from Mau, right?
From Mau, in the school track.
Yeah, so much before her. I was senior to her as a Maua, right? So we are all called Mauas.
Yeah,
right?
okay, yeah. And then I came to school and I made two very good friends, Sangeeta and Prerna. And I think you guys were the reason that I survived. I survived DC with all the, all the taunts and all the ragging that we used to go through. And thanks to you.
So, one thing which I want to know from her and maybe from all the other ladies here is, what was the architecture of that ladies' room? Because we could never ever even peep. We could never ever even peep into that room. So it was always a mystery कि ये अंदर होता क्या है, sitting arrangement कैसे है, क्या करते हैं ये लोग, एक ही कमरे में 10-12 लड़कियां, I don't know, maybe all the girls for what was it? Maybe 15?
It was just 20.
Yeah, maybe 20. Yeah, so 15, 20. So I'd like them to enlighten me and the others over here for all our benefit. कि क्या होता था वहाँ पे, हाँ? So over to Prerna.
Just a changing room.
Should I do it? Should I say it?
Don't let them be in suspense.
Come on, it's
time now.
Yeah,
It's been in suspense already.
खोलो अभी सब पुरानी चीजें बातें खोलो अभी.
It was our, I think, a secure haven.
Our confession box.
Everyone used to run. कि वहाँ पे will be safe.
Yeah, all the seniors used to boss over the juniors because we were allowed certain cupboards and then we could keep our treasuries like
Okay, so we're getting to know what was there.
Yeah, in the cupboards, shoes and changing skirts and things like that for games and some eats that I remember our seniors taking out food of our teachers and even eating, gobbling it away, doing a little musty like that.
Where are you holding the mic from?
I know how to hold this.
Okay. Yeah.
You're supposed to keep it open.
Yeah.
This is the clip.
Fine.
ठीक है?
That's fine.
Anyway, sound is there.
Yeah.
No, it would be there. Don't worry, just keep it closer to your...
So that was it.
Keep it closer to your... Yeah.
Yeah, and there was a loo out there. That's it. Which everyone used to run in so that we can use it first. Nothing great, I mean, like.
So Prerna, just share your thoughts.
I think I had the strangest school education ever. Whenever I tell anyone what my school was, they used to be amazed that you actually survived.
Yes.
Because there was a time when I was the only girl in the class. By my bad luck, I happened to be in a section in which there were no other girls. I used to enter the class in pin drop silence, leave the class in pin drop silence. So the girls' room was heaven for me. That was the only place I used to talk. And what we've talked now, I think, is more than I've ever talked to anyone during my college school life.
Yeah, absolutely.
So it was a very strange place.
It's actually nice discovering that all the guys who were in our school and in our batch are real human beings who are nice to talk to. So that's a revelation for us.
That Ganesh Singh episode, surely.
It's all marketing.
No, we're going to do good marketing, don't worry.
We are all turkeys.
So what is that, Ganesh thing?
There was one boy called Ganesh Singh who had come in. Ganesh Singh. Ganesh Singh. He had come and he was quite naughty. Once I happened to have slept in the class just before the sports time. Some prep or something, and I had slept off. And suddenly when I opened my eyes, I found this fellow with a huge chair right in front of me, almost over my head. And I was so scared, I did not know what had happened. And then he said, all that he said was, we are trying to wake you up.
So this was which 11th? Not in the 11th. I think
No,
probably
it
10th or
was
something.
it was earlier.
9th, 10th. Yeah, because
The classroom was near the principal, opposite the
so that was
principal's office.
maybe 9th. Maybe 9th.
That was the year.
Yeah.
But that was the kind of communication we had, that he couldn't verbally tell me anything. He couldn't touch me and shake me up to wake me, but he wanted to make a big noise so that I would get up and scare me out.
So, better late than never. See, quite frankly, I really feel for these girls. But इन लोगों के साथ मुझे एक चीज़ पूछनी है. अनुराधा, you and you. ये तीनों जब classroom में जब when they used to enter, they used to enter in one row, cut, and same sequence. The sequence would never change. It would most likely be Sangeeta in front, then followed by Prerna, and then followed by Anuradha, and all three of them will get in the same in the class in the same sequence and go out in the same sequence. So उसमें कुछ and all with their eyes down and everybody. It's not that we guys were making you conscious or anything, but you probably felt conscious at that time, right?
Not conscious, but kind of
uncomfortable.
No, nothing like that. Not uncomfortable also. But as I said, those days we never talked with the boys, so that was the difference. You know, like not associating. Like, yeah, in the class we are there, but the majority is the boys factor, and the girls are, you know, the minority. So, you know, kind of same se rehte the. So that was the thing.
So anyway, all's well that ends well. We have these lovely sweethearts, and I can call them my sweethearts now, right? So thanks for being with us as part of our group, and let's hope we are together for the next coming decades, and all the best to you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Was the only prank I think I did in my DC days.
I was a good boy then.
Yeah, I was a good boy.
चलते चलते मेरे ये गीत याद रखना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना.